everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Lazada Pay Later not working in 2025. Follow the simple steps and you should have it fixed. Step 1. Ensure you have sufficient credit limit. That's right, you must have enough to cover the total cost of your purchase. Then confirm that the item you're trying to buy is eligible for Lazada Pay Later. Lazada Pay Later. But some product categories might be excluded. For example, digital goods or jewelry are excluded. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of the Lazada app. So if you're not, update it to the latest version. Ensure you have stable internet connection, and if all else fails, try again later. Because the payment page may not be loading properly, the server might be busy. So just wait a few minutes and try placing your order again. And if the issue persists, just contact Lazada's customer care directly for support, so they can provide specific guidance based on your account status. Now, here's some data information you need to know about Lazada Pay Later. Typically, users need to be a resident of the country where Lazada Pay Later is offered, and you must be of legal age, at least 21 years or older, and have a valid government-issued ID. Now, having an active Lazada account is also a prerequisite. You can usually apply for Lazada Pay Later through the Lazada app, often found within the Lazada wallet or during the payment process. The application may require filling in details, submitting your application, and undergoing a verification process. There is a credit limit. The credit limit granted for Lazada Pay Later varies depending on the user and is based on an evaluation of their profile. Lazada Pay Later has some payment options. They offer options with, for example, pay later within a certain period like 30 days or through installment plans, that is 3, 6, or 12 months. Installment plans may involve a small interest or processing fee. Common reasons for Lazada Pay Later not working include insufficient credit limit, ineligibility of the product, using an outdated app version, temporal system issues, or a temporal frozen account due to various reasons like unusual activity or missed payments. Hope you found this video helpful.